Welcome to Home Cooking is for the Birds. We'd be grateful if you'd like, share, and subscribe. So, this evening, my husband is making his oven fried chicken, and you can see him here. He is trimming off the excess chicken skin. He said, and I quote, "They get you at the grocery store. They tuck that chicken skin underneath it, and you think you're buying all chicken, and it's a lot of chicken skin." And he is going to use seasonal and Creole seasoning. So first he's going to take the seasonal and he's just generously sprinkling that on the chicken. He said be generous about it, but don't overdo it because there's a lot of sodium in seasonal and the Creole seasoning, which he has now. And he is going to sprinkle that on the chicken as well. He's going to turn them over and, as you can see, and sprinkle another coating on the other side. He is going to do the seasoning or the seasonal as well. He just makes it look so easy. And then next he is going to get some Pam and spray down this 8x11 glass baking dish. Place them in there, and that's great. If you're following along, grab you some tin foil, aluminum foil, and put on top of it. Then we're going to put it in the oven on 325. And we're going to bake that for about 55 minutes to an hour. And we're going to take that out of the oven. And there we go. And he is going to actually drain the chicken broth fat off of it. And there he goes. We do have pot holders, guys. We just don't use them half the time. And he's going to drain this off, and the next he is going to actually baste this chicken. Now he's not going to use a baster, and his reasoning was that when you use a baster, you actually are taking off the dry rub that you put on the chicken. He's using a tablespoon here. Oh, that chicken, it is so good. It's just wonderful. It is my favorite. He's putting it back in the oven, and he's going to leave that in there uncovered for 15 minutes so that that chicken skin gets so crispy, and it does, guys. This is my all-time favorite dish that he does, and we make this a lot at our house. It's so easy, so quick. It's a great meal for your family. A lot of times we'll eat it with baked potato and salad, but you can serve it with vegetables. This goes with just about anything. This is such a great dish. You can take it to family gatherings. You can make it for your friends and impress them, maybe co-workers. This is just an awesome dish. Now, if you cover that, the chicken skin is going to get a little soft, so you may want to serve it quickly or just leave it where it's not covered. And he's been asked for this recipe so many times, and he has not given it away yet, but he's giving it to you. I hope you enjoy.